What's going on, everybody? Just want to do an update video today, and we had Bitcoin bump all the way up to about $54,800 on the day, guys. What a day. And it's not just the day that's looking really freaking good. I want you guys to notice down here what is happening right now on the weekly RSI. Wanted to do a quick update on this because this could get pretty crazy here. Obviously, we have to see where we close the week, but look where the weekly RSI is poking out of right now, guys. We are breaking this downtrend of resistance on the weekly RSI that we've been watching for weeks now, and we are finally getting that poke out. Now, we got to see where we close on Sunday coming up this week, but if we can continue to get some upwards momentum for the rest of this week and close above this resistance line, guys, I'm really excited to see what's going to be coming for the rest of this year. To me, the only thing the bears really have to say now is we have a lower high still, right? We still have a lower high. That's really the only thing the bears have to say, in my personal opinion. We can successively bounce right off our weekly support bands, right? Our 20 EMA and our 20 SMA. Perfect bounce off that weekly support band. Perfect bounce off our previous high, off this previous high. Just a beautiful setup on the weekly chart and just a beautiful bounce off key levels that we've been watching for weeks. And now we are finally breaking that downtrend of resistance on the RSI. Like I always like to say, it's quite beautiful, and it was just a beautiful setup there on the weekly time frame for Bitcoin. And I'm excited for what's to come the rest of this year, guys. As we know, we've been talking about this for a while. Bitcoin usually tops out on the monthly RSI twice in each bull market. We did it back here in 2013. We did it in 2017. And you can see we've only peaked out on the RSI once for this bull market so far. And I do believe we're going to be seeing a second time and a second touch up here and creating a second top, just like we've done in the previous two bull markets after the halving event, right? So the longer term time frames are just looking really good right now. As always, our fractal guys, a lot of people were laughing at me for this fractal, and this fractal has played out exactly perfectly. Okay, now you guys know I'm not one to like to say exactly as I predicted, right? But this one has played out pretty freaking well, if I do have to say so myself. You can see, I mean, a lot of people were saying it, Jordan, it's not going to pump up like that. It's not going to pump up like that. And I even thought, maybe Bitcoin doesn't pump up like that, right? But so far, Bitcoin has pumped up like that. So far, so good on this fractal. I mean, this is looking beautiful. If you guys didn't know, this is the fractal from 2017 when Bitcoin had the same China FUD, when Bitcoin had all the FUD during this time frame right here. This is the same exact price action with the wick-off accumulation and then the pump, right? Wick-off accumulation, then the pump, and then the distribution came back down. People thought you were going a little bit lower, and you didn't, and you ended up pumping right back up. All right, so far it's been an absolutely beautiful fractal as we kind of move along here. And then also the total market cap. We're about to break we're coming up to this previous high. Now it looks like we've broken this high, so we've now confirmed a higher high on the total market cap. And also we looks like we're coming right up on this previous peak back here from April 6th. So very, very important levels coming up here in the total market cap. And if we can break this current line here at about 0.23 trillion, we could see a move pretty quickly to retest our highs for a third time. And I think the third time is going to be the charm here. And I'm just excited for what's to come for the rest of this year. And I hope everyone is as well. So I always try to tell you guys, don't let the fear get to you. The best time to buy Bitcoin is when people are fearful. You'll have a lot of haters in the chat. You'll have a lot of haters on Twitter and things like that when the times are really red. But once again, I hope this is a reminder, right, that you want to buy support, right? Don't buy resistance. The time to buy was down here at support, right? The time to buy was down here at support. Now, everyone, unfortunately, that's sitting on the sidelines is going to have to FOMO back in here at some point if they want to get in, okay? Now, we still have some work to do. We're not out of the woods just yet, but I'm excited for what's to come. And for the people that don't own crypto right now, I mean, unfortunately, you're going to have to make a decision. You're going to have to buy higher than the people who are willing to buy when there's fear. And you're probably going to be buying when other people are greedy, right? Which is typically not a great time. So just want to put that out there. I hope you guys had a fantastic, fantastic day. And I'll catch you guys in the live stream at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight. Let's friggin' get it, boys. See you guys in a little bit. All right.